Health benefits of Soursop. Soursop is also known as Guyabano. It is generally grown in warm tropical areas such as the Philippines and Indonesia. It is known for its medicinal properties for centuries. Every part of the tree, from the bark, roots, and to the leaves, is often used to cure a lot of illnesses. Nutritional value of Soursop: vitamin C, riboflavin, phosphorus, thiamine, calcium, carbohydrates, iron, niacin, and fiber. Health benefits of Soursop leaves tea: anti-cancer, rheumatism, boost immune system, prevents migraine, prevents anemia, strengthen bones, diabetes treatment, anti-disease, boost energy, prevents constipation, remedy cholesterol level, prevents UTI, prevents leg cramps, hypertension remedy, calm nerves, back pain, increased breast milk production. How to prepare Soursop tea: add a few dried Soursop leaves to a pot with boiling water. Put the flame in medium and cover the pot and let the leaves to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can leave them in there for up to 30 minutes as most nutrients will be drawn. You can have the tea about 3 times in an 8-hour period. You can add honey or sugar for better taste. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video.